Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this bottle of Bromelain vitamin. So, this is for good joint comfort, supports healthy digestion. Take one of these daily. Here's the supplement facts. Yeah, let's get into it. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get these from. Let's see, safety seal right there. Pop it open. Another easy open seal. That's nice. Yep. There we go. And this is the size of them. So yeah, that's it. Hope you're all doing well. Let me know. Oops, shoot, lost one. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below, and catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.